I'm David from David Albert Ceremonies. I'm a wedding celebrant and I help couples plan the wedding ceremony they've always wanted. This isn't meant to be one of those flashy videos with lots of flying graphics. It's just an introduction to say hello. And if you searched on the internet for wedding celebrants, you'll realise there are lots of different options. And if you've made it this far in the video, you've probably booked the venue, you've sent out the invitations, and you've made sure all the important people you want there on the day to share with you and your loved one can make it. And now your thoughts turn to who's going to perform your wedding ceremony. So I'm going to share with you some of the reasons why a couple said they enjoyed their experience of working with me, David, at David Albert Ceremonies. Well, if you got this far and you like the reasons, why not drop me a message and let's start planning your perfect ceremony.